Hi everyone, this is Leon and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to register yourself a Forex account correctly. In this video, we are going to use the fbs.com as a sample. So, how to register yourself an account? Just go to the open account, or you can see other registrations informations just on the first page of your preferred broker. Once you have clicked into the open account, you are required to put in your email address and also your full name for this case. In some cases, you encounter the broker actually offer you to register yourself with your social media platforms such as Facebook, Google, and also your Apple account. My personal opinion is you do not use your personal social media account to register in the Forex. One of the reasons being is you don't want to mess up with your social media account with your broker account. So I will strongly recommend you to register yourself a brand new account with their email address. One thing to take note of, remember to use your personal email address to register yourself a broker account and as well as your full name. Your full name has to be exactly the same as your national ID card or the name displayed on the passport. Once you have completed, just click Register as Trader. Now I have registered myself in this FBS. So usually they would ask you what are your preferred MetaTrader versions if they do offer you a MetaTrader, or they will give you a link for you to log in their trading platform. So in this case, I would select a MetaTrader 4 since I'm using it all this while, and my account currency will be USD currency. At the leverage, they do offer up to 3,000 leverage, but in most cases, the broker will only offer you up to 500 leverage. So I will just click on the 500 leverage because it's used most of the broker. Once it's done, I will click Open Account. Once the registration has been done, you have this information page and you will get your MetaTrader login and also your MetaTrader password. Please remember your MetaTrader login and password because you will use it to access most of your trading activities. And you have the MetaTrader server over here. It will show that the FBS real number 6. So this is the server that you need to log in. Once you go into your MetaTrader 4, you are able to log in with this login ID and password by using a different server such as FBS real-5. So you only can able to log in at real-6. Once you have done, either you can deposit funds straight away or you can just go to their personal area right away. For my recommendation, I don't usually deposit fund immediately the registration because I would like to look at their personal area before I decided to really put in my real money into this broker. Okay, now we have come into the real account personal area. In this area, nothing much you can get information over here, but there are 3 important things that you need to take note of. The first thing is you have to confirm your email address. Usually they will send you an email with a verification number or verification code. Make sure that you click on the link in the verification so that you can verify your account. And the second step is to confirm your phone number. At these sections, you are required to place your real phone number for them to send a verification SMS or verification code. It is important to place a real phone number that is accessible. If you are putting a wrong phone number or your phone number is no longer able to access, they might flag your account as a spam. So you might have a difficulties to withdraw your fund if you are in profit, or in for some other reasons that you require to withdraw your fund, you might have a problem. So remember to put the correct phone number in these sessions. And the third one, which is the most important one, is the verification of your identity. Usually it will require you to upload yourself, your ID, or your passport. So in these steps, they are required to verify that you are the one who registered the Forex account with them. So they just want to make sure that you are the real person, you are not other third-party members, or you are not a robot. So in these steps, it's very crucial. Remember to provide your real full name, and also the name has to be exactly the same in your ID and also your passport. Another tips is that in some occasions, you will receive information on you will get what is the bonuses that they provide to you. My personal recommendation is do not take any bonuses, because the bonuses comes with terms and conditions. Usually they require you to double up or even triple up the bonus that they provided to you in order for you to withdraw that amount of money. So if you are unable to double or triple up or base whatever conditions that they required, you have a problem to withdraw your fund. So do not use their bonus system, just deposit whatever that you are required, then you are good to go. Once you have confirmed everything, now is the time for you to deposit your fund into this broker. I will recommend you for the first deposit, always start with a minimum deposit, because you will not know that what is this broker behavior and how easy for you to withdraw your hard-earned money. So a minimum deposit to test out this broker. In these sessions, they have a lot of channel for you to deposit your money. Most commonly you'll be using is a card pay. Usually it will go for the Visa or your MasterCard. If you have any local depositor in your country, you may select it. This local depositor acts as a middle or agency. So they will collect the fund from you and then they will put it into your Forex account. Usually deposit will take you about 1 or 2 minutes for your amount to be reflected. When you decided to withdraw your money from this broker, you can always go to their withdrawal sections and select the preferred methods that you wish to. For the deposit that who has go through using Visa or MasterCard, most of the cases, you're only able to withdraw the same amount that you have deposited into your broker. So for example, you have deposit 100 USD by using your Visa card, and in the next month, you decided to withdraw 150 USD from the account. However, you're only able to do so with 100 USD, and the 50 USD you are required to use different payment method, such as electronic payment, Skrill, or others your local bank that is provided by your broker. Before you can withdraw any money, most of the case, broker will ask you for your bank statement or even your credit card details. You have to make sure that you have do enough protection to cover up important information of your credit card, such as your credit card number. Just leave 4 digits behind for them. Never give out your full credit card number to your broker. And you also need to cover up your CVV so you can prevent any unauthorized transactions from anyone. For the bank account statement, please do cover up your transaction history. Just leave important information such as your bank account and also your bank address or your residential address will do. The rest of the information, such as your transaction history, is not required to provide to them. So this is the end of the video. If you like this video, please hit a like button at the bottom right corner. Remember to subscribe it and hit the notification bell icon so you will not miss any information like this. I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.